will tomorrow bring? I won't even think. I wanna be carefree. Days will come and go. I won't be afraid. In God I put my trust. If the future's unsure, I will have the faith I'll love and rest upon the arms of God. I can trust in His protection. I will lay my life in His hands. I'm sure He will take care of me. God, teach me to rest in Your arms. Every step I take, wherever I'll be, I'll give my all to You. Each choice I make, I will live in Your hands and just wait. God takes care of the birds up high. I know my value in His sight is higher. I can wait in peace and rest up in the arms of God. I can trust in His protection. I will lay my life in His hands. I am sure He will take care of me. God, teach me to rest in Your arms. I can trust in His protection. I will lay my life in His hands. I am sure He'll take care of me. God, teach me to rest in Your arms. And rest up in the arms of God.